10 years ago when I started my agency, I was anxious about making content, just like maybe you are. I held myself back and I used the excuse of the dreaded black curtain. I leave it there as a reminder to let me know that if I stop myself from doing anything, look at the curtain and realize why. It wasn't because I was worried about the backdrop, which was my excuse. I was actually worried about what people might think about me, what they might say about me, and how that will make me feel, and how that will cripple me and raise my levels of anxiety. Today, I'm going to help you get over your levels of anxiety so that you can create content. You can absolutely smash it out the park with regards to a YouTube channel, video podcast, Facebook Lives. You might want to make videos for your online course and program so that you can build the business of you. You can create a lifestyle around your family. Please don't let your current internal beliefs screw up your external future, because you have the power to create anything you want. When you're building a business, when you're creating video content, what most people forget to tell you, what these self-proclaimed gurus don't tell you is this: it's an inside process before it's an outside process. To make great content, to build an amazing business, you need to do some work on yourself. And most people go externally before they go internally. I learned this lesson very, very hard. Only 7 years ago did I do the internal work, which skyrocketed my performance, my results, and the way I perform on video. Now, the hardest thing when it comes to creating content is simply one thing: pressing record. So I'm going to share with you how I teach my students to do it so you can get over that hurdle and you can start making great videos from day one. We go through a 30-day process, and it's this. It is a daily diary. Pick up your phone and just shoot it right now. Grab it, press pause on the video and go, right, Stephen's told me to do this and I'm going to make amazing videos. The first one's going to suck. That's okay, because the power you have in the spiritual moment that I'm going to share with you is this: press delete. It goes into the ether. It's like personal therapy, and you'll sit there and go, well, that wasn't that hard, because no one's going to see it. No one's going to judge you. And then you realize it's what's going on in here. But I want you to come down into here. It's your heart brand. That's what we teach in the Heart Brand Academy. If you come in from here and say, do you know what? I'm going to share something with my phone. It's going to be my daily diary. It's going to be like my journal. I'm going to get over that fear. And then it takes all of the pain away. Just doing that first video on here with me right now, it takes all of that anxiety away. It really diminishes it. I've given you a way in which to get over the fear of pressing record. And now, day 2, you can just get going with it. And the way in which you get going is this. Every single day, we're going to have an alarm on the phone, or if you want, you can set it as a meeting in your calendar. And then what we do is every day, I just share my thoughts and my feelings with my mobile phone. And I use it like a journal, like a digital journal. But what I say, I speak, and I feel, and everything goes into here. It's like therapy. I've got it off my chest. And then I press delete. I do this on a regular basis. Why? Because being an entrepreneur and building your own business is hard, and sometimes a lonely thing to do as well. Just having your journal and just getting it all out there and getting rid of it into the ether is a great release. Simple task is just set an alarm every day to go off on your phone, and then just make your daily diary. Remember to press delete, and then in the next breath, remember to say thank you. Be grateful for the opportunity and the newfound courage that you have. Now, these videos aren't meant to be perfect. They're not going to go anywhere other than into the universe. But remember, practice makes progress. We're not looking for perfection, because people online right now, they want real. They don't want rehearsed. Every single day, make your video, enjoy the process, be grateful for it, say thank you at the end, delete it, let it go into the universe. Do that for 30 days, and then my challenge to you is go and do it for another 30 days. And this time, when you're making your video and you're sharing your thoughts, your anxieties, your stresses, your challenges, your highlight moments, whatever good things have happened in your day, the next phase is this: start to be a bit more intentional about it. Say, what do I need to create for my business? What do I need to create for my personal brand? And use the 30-day daily diary, phase 2, as a practice. Practice in the privacy of your own home, and again, if you don't like it, you can delete it. But what you will find is, you've done 30 days of practice, 1 to 2 minutes a day over 30 days is only 1 hour of your life. And in 1 hour, you will have got really good. And then the next 30 days, even better. So when it comes to creating your course content, or going live on Facebook, or making your first YouTube video, you have got the skills. You have raised the standard standard, and you and your content will stand out and attract the right people towards you. Why? You'll continue to make great videos because you've put in the work, you've got over the fear, you've done your 30, your 60, maybe even a 90-day diary. So now you've done all of your practicing and you want to take your content out to the public, then click the video here so you can understand the types of content that you need to be creating to really pull your audience towards you to make a positive impact in the world. Take care, much love, Big Daddy out.